So that's Santa Clarita Real Estate. We'll be back tomorrow to discuss what else is going on. Current listings, total active in all the Santa Clarita Valley, 346. That's going to be all of the Santa Clarita cities combined. I'm Connor with Honor. When you're ready, reach out to me. I do a 7-day show broadcast. Here's some of my online systems. So this is going to be from today's show. That'll be the actual photograph I'll put there. But I'm everywhere. I do have a lot of systems in place. Today we can go to my podcast network where you see this is where I have all of the podcasts that I do. These are the systems where I upload everything, so you'll be able to see that I am syndicated. And this is something that definitely does help when it comes to advertising and marketing listings, when you are able to get your clients' homes in front of an entire world out there that is all about real estate, people looking to invest and purchase. And those podcast networks, people